Let's learn Find the Beat. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse and Jean-Pierre Madge. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance. It has restarts on walls 3 and 7 after 20 counts and a tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the restarts, the tag, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Find the Beat. Section 1, you're always going to start on your left foot. We're going to kick out, out, so you're going to kick your right foot forward. We're now going to step our right foot out and slightly back, and then you're going to step your left foot out and slightly back. We're going to rotate our right knee in towards the left and then out, putting your weight onto your right foot. We're now going to do 2 samba steps. You want to think that each samba step is going to bring you into the diagonal or angle you towards the diagonal. So we're going to cross our left over our right. You're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. You're now facing towards that 10-30 diagonal. You're now going to cross your right over your left. You're going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side and recover onto your right, and you'll be facing the 130 diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your kick out, out. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to tap your right toe behind your left. Step back with your right and sweep your left from front to back. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. You're still facing that 130 diagonal. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot, and as you do this, you're going to roll your hips. So you're going to push your left hip back as you step forward with your right, and then we're going to roll our hips counterclockwise from left to right, making that quarter turn. Your weight is on your left foot. We're now going to repeat that, but we're going to do a 3/8 turn, so we're going to end up facing the 6 o'clock wall. So you're going to step forward with your right, pushing your left hip back. You're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our samba steps. We're going to go step, tap, back, sweep. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step out, out, right, left. You're now going to look over your left shoulder, and we're going to roll our shoulders and our hips. You can kind of roll them how you like. I kind of go forward and then back, forward and then back, and kind of roll my hips and shoulders at the same time. Do whatever feels good for your body. You could just roll your shoulders. You could roll both. You just kind of want to roll them for the 2 counts. And when you finish these rolls, you want your weight on your right foot, except for when we restart. But we'll talk about that when we discuss the restarts. From here, you're going to do a ball cross side. So you're going to quickly step your left next to your right. Cross your right over your left and step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a quarter sailor step. So you're going to cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot out to the side to face 9 o'clock, and then step forward with your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our hip rolls. You're stepping out, out. So it's and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 walks forward, left, right. You're now going to shuffle forward with your left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. Rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. Now we're going to do syncopated back touches. So we're going to step our right foot back slightly into the diagonal, and you're going to touch your left foot next to your right, but slightly in front. And then we're going to step back with our left and touch your right. And then you want to make sure that your weight's back on that left foot and the right foot is free to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And I kind of like to wiggle my hips a little bit on that part, so feel free to add in some style. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our kick out, out. So it's kick out, out, knee in, knee out, samba, step, step. Step, touch, back sweep, behind, side cross, step, quarter pivot, step 3/8 pivot, out, out, look left, roll, roll, ball cross, side quarter sailor, step, walk, walk, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your kick out, out. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the 2 restarts. Your first restart will happen on wall 3. Both restarts will start facing 6 o'clock and then bring you to 12 o'clock. You're going to dance up until you're out, out, look, roll, roll. When we do that roll, roll, usually we make sure our weight is on our right foot so that we can go into our ball cross. When we do it for the restarts, you're going to keep your weight on your left foot so you can go into your kick out, out. So you just want to make sure that you're paying attention to where your weight is because it will make it easier to transition into the restart. But let's dance up to where that restart happens. Weight is on your left for kick out, out. So it's kick out, out, knee in, knee out, samba, step, step, touch, back sweep, behind, side cross, step, quarter pivot, step, 3/8 pivot, out, out, look, roll, roll. Right here, you want to make sure your weight is on your left foot instead of the right so that you can go into your kick out, out. The same thing will happen on wall 7. You'll do that same 20 counts and restart exactly the same. Now, on wall 4, you have a tag at the end of wall 4. So we'll be facing 12 o'clock. You'll do the full 32 counts, bringing you to 9 o'clock, where you're going to add on your tag. This is the only time it happens. So what we're going to do is step to the side and do a sailor step. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side. We're going to do a left sailor step. Cross your left behind your right, step out with your right, step out with your left. We're now going to lock our right foot behind our left, kind of popping that knee forward. We're now going to do a 3/4 volta. So turning over your left shoulder, we're going to make a 3/4 volta coming to 12 o'clock. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Bring your right foot into your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Bring your right foot into your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. And then we're going to end the tag by doing a nice loud woo! And you can throw your hands up in the air. You can throw one or both. I did both. But you can kind of choose as long as you're going woo for count 8, and then you will restart the dance doing wall 5 to 12 o'clock. So let's try that tag with some counts. Weight is on your left, we're stepping to the right. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Woo! And that is everything. Now, the dance will end facing 9 o'clock. All you're going to do is do the first few counts of the dance. So you'll go kick out, out, knee in. Now, instead of just bringing it out and staying at 9 o'clock, as you rotate your knee out, you're going to make a quarter turn to face 12 o'clock, and you can point to your eyes, or you can pose, or whatever you would like. It does talk about seeing, so you can kind of point to your eyes as you turn to 12 o'clock if you would like to end facing the front. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts and the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our kick out, out. So it's kick out, out, knee in, knee out, samba, step, step, touch, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, step, quarter, pivot, step, 3/8, pivot, out, out, look, roll, roll, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, walk, walk, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back, touch, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 20 counts. Kick out, out, knee in, knee out, samba, step, step, touch, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, step, forward, pivot, step, 3/8, pivot, out, out, look, roll, weights, left, restart, kick out, out, knee in, knee out, samba, step, step, touch, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, step, quarter, pivot, step, 3/8, pivot, out, out, look, roll, roll, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, walk, walk, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back, touch, as your tag is side, sailor, step, lock, quarter ball, quarter, woo, start over, kick out, out, knee in, knee out, samba, step, step, touch, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, quarter, pivot, 3/8, pivot, out, out, look, roll, roll, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, walk, walk, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back, touch, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 20 counts. Kick out, out, knee in, knee out, samba, step, step, touch, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, quarter, pivot, 3/8, pivot, out, out, look, roll, weights, left, kick out, out, knee in, knee out, samba, step, step, touch, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, step, quarter, pivot, step, 3/8, pivot, out, out, look, roll, roll, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, walk, walk, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back, touch. And that is the whole dance. You'll go around until the music starts to end. You will know it's coming because the last few walls, the music kind of changes. And on one of the walls, it feels like you should restart and you don't. When you kind of notice that, right after that is going to be your final wall and you'll turn to the front. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn and find the beat. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.